Hey, welcome back, everyone. Tom from Park Avenue Trading, your chief dealer, keeping you sane in these insane markets. It's 10:35 Eastern Standard Time, June 6, 2025. Starting our analysis off with sterling yen. Sterling yen, man. All right, 196.16. We got resistance at 196.32, short-term resistance. Also, there's a larger term resistance at 197, the figure. All right, so this cross has really done some hammering upward. Let me tell you, touchdown at support, came back up, created a higher low, and now we're off a little bit higher. So what's the most important level today? All right, or what we have to watch today is really this 194. Let me see something here. Let me make sure. I'm going to bring this up, obviously. This is way too low. 195. 195. I'm going to go 195 right here. 195.66. Now, this is a 4-hour chart, so I'm going to switch down to the 1 hour so we can get a better look at it. That's the point that has to hold. So if we get a dip down here, even a little bit lower, we're going to have some support right here. 195.62, that's for sure. It's an old top, so that would be support. We also support at 195.22. Now, if this thing is going to continue to rally, it's got to get through the resistance point that we were just talking about right here. I'll come on over. It's right there. 196.30 is an important critical price. If we can get above this and close it, it's heading towards 197, the figure. Right now, as it stands, dollar yen's cooling off a little bit, but not so much. I mean, I'm so angry with myself. Yesterday, I got long dollar yen at 143.08. 143.08. I took profits at 143.30. Then, dollar yen was wild yesterday because it crashed back down to like 142.71, and then it just continued its rally. So I got long sterling yen, which I did well with. I got long at 194.88, and I sold it really close to the top at 195.40. It only went to 195.58, but now look at this thing. Now it went to 196.20. So, hey, well, whatever. Let's get on to the good old dollar yen. All right, let's look at dollar yen. All right, so here we are. Dollar yen banging right into the resistance that we called, okay? So if you traded that, you're up 20 pips. Congratulations. All right, but where does it stand right now? It's got to hold 144.40. This level has to hold. If it doesn't, it means it's dipping down to 144, the figure again. As it stands right now, I really have no clue in it. I really don't. Even with the sterling yen itself, I'm really kind of baffled. It's Friday, and I'm in the mood to hey, let's just go beach it and forget about it. There's going to be another opportunity on Sunday night or Monday morning, So, but the critical price in dollar yen, it's got to hold this 144.40. If not, it could dip down to 144.06. Now, if it can close and get up above this, 144.94, the next level is 145.5. So right now, dollar yen is kind of bid, but I think that it's going to actually start to cool off a little bit and start to actually consolidate between the recent high we have and potentially this 144 level. So that's what I think it is. Now, if we can get above this, then we got the target. I wouldn't go really 145.50. I would think, just sticking with like 140. Whatever. I'll use 145.50. I'm not going to say 40. I mean, it's 10 pips, Most people, if they get that close, they declare it a victory, So let's move on over to good old, let's see, sterling dollar. That's the one, man. Let's look at sterling dollar. Okay. Sterling dollar, we said that we had resistance at 136 the figure. It creeped up a little bit, went to 136.16. All right. It fell, and we went down to what? 130, 135.07. Not up, 135.07. So really cable itself, I'm going to move this up. I'm going to go up to the upper end of this triangle right here and go, let me see something. What's that? That little bar's closed right there. I'm going to go actually to the top of the trend line right there. It's got to get above 135.63 in order to show strength. Now, if it breaks down through this low, okay, we're tracking down to 134.47. Now, that all depends. Dollar yen spikes hard upward, then this has got a chance. It would be a slow grind because sterling yen is bid. So really the play isn't really so much in sterling dollar. It's in the cross of sterling yen. So if you're a sterling bull, you'd be looking to buy a dip of sterling yen, not so much looking to buy cable, because cable is going to be, I think it's going to be flat for a while. It has been flat. It's all been dollar yen, so all the movement's happening in dollar yen. So if you're a sterling bull, do it through the cross, in my opinion. Get long sterling yen somewhere. All right, let's go over to good old euro yen. This is another one, man. Euro yen, new high in at 165.28. Let's see something here. Had resistance at 165. Where is it? Yeah, 165.22. Okay, so it banged off the resistance level right now. Let's see. It's got to come up. This has got to come up, obviously. 164.68. 164. Where is it? I'll go 164.65. It's got to hold this level. If not, again, you got to be watching dollar yen because the play is really not so much in the euro dollar. It's in euro yen. So if dollar yen decides that it's going to retrace, it could take this cross with us. But where to? Where to? Really, really, it's like 164.25 is the first stop for a support point. If it breaks that, then we're trading back down towards, let me see something here. Let's move this up. 164, 165.20. I'm going to go up here. 165.20 is the resistance, sorry. 164. 63, we got that part marked. That's got to hold. Then it opens up to 164 figure right there. All right, so that's what I got going on for you. Your critical price is this 164.60. Has to hold that. Dollar yen continues to rally. We could break up through the 165.20. And where are we going? Well, 165.80 is the next level. 165.81 right there. I'll use that. Cool. 165.81. Why isn't there a line there? I don't know. It's just, oh, there it goes. 165.81. All right, so it is Friday, TGIF. So I'll see you over the weekend for the weekend update. If you like what you see, please like and subscribe. Share my videos far and wide. Don't forget to go over to Park Avenue Trading and get yourself a free ebook. And remember, always enjoy the party, but dance near the door. Cheers.